Here we're demonstrating how to change a heater core on a late model Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. In this step, we're going to demonstrate the proper procedure for remounting your vehicle's steering column. Now it's of course over on the driver's side. I'm going to head over there and begin mounting it for you right now. Alright, this is the vehicle steering column, and as you see we have it dropped down out of position to service our heater core. So what we're going to have to do is take and slide it back up on the 4 mounting studs. I'm going to go ahead and do that for you right now. Just take and slip it up into position, just like so. I'm going to take and mount the rear studs first, and then move on to the front ones. You can see for reach, what I've done is taken and putting the nut inside my socket on an extension. So I can take and work that guy around up inside here. Alright, there's one. We're going to go ahead and get the second rear one. Now that we have both the rear studs mounted, you can see the steering column is still loose. I'm going to take and hold it in place with my right hand and slip this knee blocker bracket in place over the studs. Just like so. I'm actually going to switch hands and hold the steering column in place with the knee blocker bracket and start my bolts. There's one, and now for the last one. You go ahead and tighten them up now. There's one. Two. Three, and for the fourth. And the last one, right there. That is the proper service procedure for remounting your vehicle's steering column.